Well, David, home builder sentiment fell 6 points to 34 in November on the National Association of Home Builders monthly index. That is a big miss. The street was looking for unchanged. This is the fourth straight month of declines. Anything below 50 is considered negative, and sentiment is now down 22 points just since July to the lowest level since the end of last year. Now, the builders did make a note that nearly all of the monthly data for November was collected before the CPI report showed inflation moderating. So you can factor that in. Now, of the index's three components, current sales conditions fell 6 points to 40. Sales expectations in the next 6 months dropped 5 points to 39. And buyer traffic fell 5 points to 21. Of course, this is all about higher mortgage rates, which did start to come down this month, but we're at a more than 20-year high just last month. More builders did report cutting prices in November, 36% of them, up from 32% in the previous 2 months. And that is the highest share of price cuts in this cycle, tying the previous high 2 years ago. The average price cut was 6%. Back to you guys.
Diana, obviously a big downside surprise. We're seeing reaction in the home builder shares, that ETF falling to the lows of the day. Home builder confidence is correlated to what? Is it a leading indicator of sales?
Well, it's a leading indicator to housing starts. However, the builders feel will necessitate how many holes they put in the ground. So if their builder sentiment is falling, then we're going to start to see single-family permits. This, again, is all single-family housing. So, again, you know, we are at a low level of housing starts as it is, and it doesn't look like the builders are feeling better about that. They don't do a lot of spec homes right now. But when we were seeing builder sentiment much higher last spring because rates had dropped back, you were seeing this surge in housing starts. And really what we need in this market is supply. So, again, this is a forward indicator of housing starts, which doesn't look great.
No, it doesn't look great. And we're seeing the reaction. Home builders losing some gains, going into negative territory there. Lennar and Toll Brothers. Diana, thank you. Diana Olick.